So very concretely, what does it mean also for the cultural sector? We see that mostly for open air events and for festivals, and especially in the music sector. You have one example, but probably more even in Slovenia. I took the example of Metal Days, where there were days of the festival that were cancelled because of extreme weather events. It led for the festival to disappear also. And this is a risk that is faced by different countries and territories, as you can see also in Australia, because this is a land where you have many risks and many experiences around the consequences of climate change in terms of droughts, also in terms of wildfires. So this has very concrete effects to the extent that even The Guardian was saying like climate crisis could kill of Australian music festivals.